Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to open any Windows application directly from a website using a custom protocol. We'll create the protocol in Windows, connect it to an application, and then use a simple HTML page to launch it. Let's start by opening the Registry Editor. I'm opening the Registry Editor from the Windows search, but you can also open it by pressing Windows plus R, typing regedit, and pressing Enter. This will open the Registry Editor window. In the left panel, navigate to HKEYCLASSESROOT. This is where we'll create our new protocol key. Right-click on HKEY's class's root and select Newest Key. Name it myapp or any name you like. In the default value field, type URL myapp protocol, then create a new string value called URL protocol. Inside the VLC key, create a subkey named shell. Inside shell, create a subkey called open. Then inside open, create a subkey named command. In the default value of command, enter the full path to your application. For example, c:path to your app.exe. This tells Windows to launch that program whenever our custom protocol is triggered. Now let's use our new protocol on a web page. Open your code editor and create a new HTML file. In the HTML file, add a link like this. Save the file and open it in your browser. When you click the link, the browser will detect the protocol and ask for confirmation. Once you allow it, your app will open instantly. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a custom protocol in Windows and use it to launch any application from a website. If this was helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more practical coding tips.